Are you looking for a 360-degree consultation in sales management organized by a MDP faculty of IIM Kolkata, backed by hands-on industry experience in sales for 33 years? Introducing Strategic Concepts, which brings you a single window solution to all aspects of sales management. We believe in the religion of sales. Our area of work focuses more on market opportunity assessment, sales and marketing audit, learning and development, strategic market planning, go-to-market plan, sales metrics, sales dashboard management, customer relation management. We can assist the small and medium enterprises. We welcome all to sell more and earn more. With a minimal investment of 3,500 rupees per hour, you get 33 years of market experience, money-back guarantee for dissatisfied customers. Don't wait to become big to hire a consultant. It is their job to take you there. For more information, visit www.consultforsales.com.